Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Bitcoin price started a fresh decline below the $85,500 zone, and now it's consolidating and might attempt to clear the $85,200 resistance zone. What's at play here? Let's dive in. As Bitcoin price struggled near the $86,500 zone, it began to fall back down. The decline was swift, pushing the price below the $85,500 and $85,000 levels, entering a short-term bearish zone. But that's not all. We also see a test of the $83,200 support level. A low was formed at $83,171, and since then, there's been a correction in losses. The price moved above the $83,800 level, which is quite interesting. It surpassed the 50% fib retracement level of the downward move from the $86,401 swing high to the $83,171 low. Now we're trading below $85,000 and the 100-hourly simple moving average. But look at this. We have immediate resistance near the $84,750 level, with a connecting bearish trend line forming above it. This tells us that there's quite a bit of pressure on the price to move upwards from here. The first key resistance is near the $85,150 level, or the 61.8% fib retracement level of the downward move from the $86,401 swing high to the $83,171 low. If we reach this point, it could be a turning point for Bitcoin. The next key resistance could be at $85,500. If Bitcoin can break above the $85,500 resistance, it might send the price further higher, testing the $85,800 resistance level and potentially even reaching the $86,400 level. But what if we don't see that? What if Bitcoin fails to rise above the $85,000 resistance zone? In that case, it could start another decline. The first major support on the downside is near the $83,900 level, followed by the $83,200 level, and then the $82,200 zone. We also have some technical indicators to consider. The hourly MACD is losing pace in the bearish zone, while the hourly RSI for BTC USD is near the 50 level. And we can see major support levels at $83,200 and $82,200, as well as major resistance levels at $84,750 and $85,150. So what's next for Bitcoin? Is a fresh increase on the cards, or will it continue to decline? The answer is far from clear, but one thing's for sure, we'll be keeping a close eye on this situation.